Hello, Pat Zumbush here with another 3-Minute Money video. Today's video is for anyone who wants to avoid a huge mistake most people make regarding their investment portfolio, and it keeps them from getting the best returns possible. Let's start the 3-minute money timer, and I'll explain the concept of rebalancing and why it's essential to successful investing. The market is constantly changing, which in turn means that your investment portfolio allocation is also continually changing. Rebalancing is what you do to maintain your target investment mix. In layman's terms, rebalancing your portfolio will help you to keep the correct percentage of stocks versus bonds that make up your investment portfolio. Let's say you open a brokerage account and you fund it with $20,000. From that total, you invest $16,000 or 80% in a stock fund and the remaining $4,000 or 20% in a bond fund. As the year goes by, you live your life, practice disciplined saving and investing, and you avoid making any changes to the account based solely on market volatility. At the end of the year, your portfolio grew to $25,000 thanks to your stock fund's growth. Of the $25,000 in your portfolio, $21,250 or 85% is in the stock fund, and $3,750 or 15% is in the bond fund. Since your target is 80% stocks and 20% bonds, it's time to rebalance your portfolio. You accomplish it by selling the higher performing stock funds and reinvesting them in the lower performing bond funds. The alternative is to add a little additional money into the bond funds from an outside source. Either way, the goal is to have $20,000 or 80% in the stock funds and $5,000 or 20% in the bond funds, which is your target allocation. Although rebalancing your portfolio doesn't necessarily make you money, it does have several benefits. But like all good things in life, there are also some downsides to rebalancing your portfolio. That said, I think the benefits far outweigh the downsides. Still, here are the pros and cons of rebalancing your portfolio, starting with the pros. Number one, rebalancing keeps your portfolio in line with your risk tolerance. Number two, rebalancing keeps emotions out of your investment decision. And finally, number three, rebalancing, and this is so crucial, helps you to buy low and sell high. Okay, now the cons. Number one, rebalancing takes a little time and work. It's relatively easy if you're good at basic math, but it still takes time. Number two, rebalancing can increase the trading fees you pay, but in the grand scheme, the costs are often minimal and sometimes non-existent. Thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know how often you might rebalance your investment portfolio. As always, thank you for letting me help you do wise things with your money.